Welcome back. In this session, we'll be touching upon a few remote pilot in command pre-flight responsibilities, including becoming familiar with the operating environment, do a pre-flight inspection of the unmanned aircraft, holding crew member briefings to update them with information and assign roles and responsibilities. A sUAS must be maintained in a condition for safe operations. Prior to the beginning of flight operations, a remote pilot in command must conduct a pre-flight familiarization, inspection, and crew member briefings. The remote pilot in command must assess the operating environment and consider the risks to people and property in the immediate vicinity, both on the surface and in the air. This means checking the local weather conditions. Check the local airspace and any flight restrictions. Be aware of the location of persons and property on the surface. Hold your crew member briefings and inform the crew members about operating conditions, emergency procedures, contingency procedures, assign roles and responsibilities, and discuss potential hazards. Later on, there's a session dedicated to pre-flight inspection of an unmanned aircraft. But for now, understand that remote pilots in command are required to ensure control and navigational links are working properly. Links from the control station to the unmanned aircraft, and navigational links from the control station, unmanned aircraft to the GPS satellites. Also make sure that there's enough power for the intended operations. This includes the control station and the UA. And also making sure any attached objects or payload are secure and they do not impact the center of gravity of the aircraft.